Hello guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the TomTom Professional 520. Now this may come as a surprise to some of you, considering some of you, well, I thought that I'd need one of these in my job. Now, as the patrons are aware, I have changed job. I will be changing job shortly. I'll put more information in the end. So I've not opened this yet. I've just taken the cling film off. So this was $229 from Argos. So let's get into it. Let's take that off. Sorry, there's just something over there annoying me. So plumb drive. So this is a professional one. The difference between this is, as you can see there, if it will focus, autofocus is off. You got the bus, truck and van, so you can tell it what vehicle you're driving. So that's the instruction manual, won't be needing that. And let's focus back down. So we have the unit itself, which get rid of that. Very nice. It's a 5-inch display. So then underneath that little plastic shroud, we have a TomTom. Oh, it's what they do thing you need to do. We have a, I think is a suction pad, not too sure. Have a stand for the windscreen. Should have done this on a GoPro because it would have automatically focusing. Then we have one USB cable, a micro USB connection. It's a micro USB connection. Nice, and then the obvious cigarette lighter, as everyone calls it, or just a plain old 12-volt adapter. That's everything that's in this box. So now I know there'll be some juice in the TomTom anyway, so we'll get rid of the box there. Still not too sure what this is all about. Oh, I get it, so you can stick it to the dashboard like that. So you can stick it to the dashboard like that and then you can go from there. Okay. So the TomTom, so I can get rid of all this plastic. Oh. So I did have one of these at one point. So you can power it from the micro USB on the back here. This is how I know about this one. Power it from the micro USB on the back there if you wanted to, or you can power it directly, or when you put this in, which just fits in like that, that makes a connection, so you power it from the micro USB in there. So we will put some power to it. I'm going to use my DJI power supply for that. It's the one that's just over here, just out of sight. And we'll put that into there like so. And we've got TomTom. Let it load. Yeah, I know I'm not very good at these unboxing videos. It's the first one I've done. So I do have to download an app. Oh shit. That's my phone on the floor. I do have to download an app for my phone. Now I already do have this feature on the phone, but we'll re-download it because I haven't deleted it since. New places added. There it is. Install. So choose a language. So let's choose our language. It's not hard, is it? There it is. Oh, English United Kingdom. Next. Loading maps. Yep, we want the United Kingdom. We're going to be driving a bus. We've got to take the bus. Bear with me. Don't know it off the top of my head. I'm going to put in the dimensions for my B10. It can change. Length is 12 metres. In fact, no, it's not. Our version is 30. I'm sure it's the 13. 13.7. The width is 255. And the height is 10'6". I know that. So I've just got to convert that. .2 meters. Next. Yeah, I'm still on camera. Just gross weight, axle. Yeah, we'll keep it as that for now. Max speed 56. 3. Yep, that's fine. That's fine. Yep, that's fine. Whatever. Set up Wi-Fi. I'll just set this up. I'll be back in half a second. That's a bit better. So in auto mode I can see a bit more. So let me put it back down there where it was. Does that make sense? So put that in. So let's connect. Should be connecting. Connected next. Sort it out. I've got a TomTom account but I don't know it. So we'll set that up later on then. Alright, 1 minute, I'll be back again. So I'm in. So we can set up the phone now. Connect to your phone using the TomTom app and Bluetooth. Add phone. So this is now where we want to come in with the phone. I've already downloaded the MyDrive app, which you can see there. So next. Yep, that's very nice. Get rid of that person. Get started. Okay. So let me just log in again. Just logging in. Connect your device. Okay. Scan the code. Allow. 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 The code is the one that's on the screen there, so we just need to scan that like that. We've got 1 moment please. All the 6 million notifications that it wants to send out, they will be getting switched off. Choose preparing, passkey, yep, okay. Make that force that, okay, done. Yep. So then we have that on there. Then we can go back to this here. So hands-free calls, data, yep, that's fine. Galaxy S9, yep, that's fine. Done. Close. So that's it, all set up.
You have received a new destination.
All set up. Now that's using, now on my old account, you'll notice that's up to Blackburn. I was trying to set it up on an older one, but it won't work. This is a newer one with a newer app style, so it's worked. So it's put it in back from
You
when
will
we
arrive at your destination at 1:21 p.m.
It's put in when we went to the Transport Museum, Transport Trust, which is Town and District. So, yeah, but this now has all the low bridges and everything on it, so anything that is low, if you're driving a high-sided vehicle, then that will try and navigate you around it. You still have to pay attention though when it's driving, because if you deroof a bridge, deroof a bridge, deroof your bus, truck or whatever on a bridge, you cannot go, well the SatNav told me to go this way. That excuse is reserved for car people only. So yes, I hope you found this video interesting. We'll touch on a few other more things with it if you want at a later stage. But that was the unboxing and getting it going. Just a bit of a quick start in a way. So thanks for watching. As always, if you like these videos, you can give them a good thumbs up in the comments below. You can support me on Patreon, and if you don't want to give a monthly one, you just want to give a one-off, you can support me and the B10 via PayPal. Link is down in the description. If you do it via the Streaming Elements link, you will get a shout out automatically in the next live stream. Or you can just send it to PayPal, which is admin@macbuses.com. I also have Instagram, which is hashtag, no it's not, it's @MancBuses. Facebook, Facebook/MancBuses, and don't forget you can subscribe to this, and don't forget to press that bell icon which is just below, otherwise you won't be notified of all my latest updates. So until then, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.
Oh, it's a great life on the buses. There's nothing like it, you'll agree. Just take a ride up on the buses, because there's plenty